Welcome back, YouTube. Episode 2. Y'all know what we're on today.
All my niggas outside and they got bands. If you wanna catch us, all white bands. Treat the shit like Drake, no new friends. Had to X some niggas out, now we found land. Wasn't the plan, I just say damn. Had to send a nigga off, no spaceman. But I still stand, upgrade fans. Flying over with the drip, no Rain Man. Just a payment, what I'm chasing. I guess the benefit of this is that I'm famous. Human torch inside the booth, now I'm blazing. Chef Renzi when I'm cooking, so amazing. Like to tell.
Alright, today's gonna be a fun day, okay? Last episode, we talked about the transmission being blown up, but told you guys we were gonna source it. Found another bell housing, alright? This one actually came with its own input bearing, still has a selector lever in there. Everything is good, no issues, no cracks, no nothing. So this is gonna be great. I have class, unfortunately, so I'll be leaving out the class pretty soon, but we're gonna be heading over to Chris's house today. Chris is gonna help me put everything back together. We're gonna make sure this thing is good, it's working properly, all the gears. Basically, we're gonna overhaul the hell out this transmission, man. We gotta make sure there's no debris, there's no flakes, there's no nothing hiding around inside. So when we put everything back together, we're ready to rock and roll. The only thing that's gonna be left, honestly, is just gotta source a new flywheel, new clutch. I believe we have one that we're looking at, so should be interesting, should be cool. You know, we got some things to do. We did completely finish the sticker bond on the bumper, so we're gonna be working on that probably either later today or tomorrow. We can get to it today, then we'll go ahead and work on it. I.e., I just basically gotta make sure all of this stuff is smoothed out, get some clear coat on it, lock everything down, make sure everything is structured, and then start marking up the vent ports. And then we'll be ready to go. We'll be ready to get it back on the car, get everything situated. So next time y'all see me, we will be at Chris's house. I'm out. We are back, family. We're back. We finally made it to Chris' house after my unnecessary food stop. So, finally at Chris' house. I'm not gonna show you any of his toys, that's up to him. But, oh, never mind, he just gave me the thumbs up, so you guys at least, I'll show you one. His roommates. I want boost all the time, motor, should I say, because this thing just keeps fucking climbing. This is his roommate's sedan. What do you got here? It's the GSR in this one?
That's the LSV Tech B16 head.
Okay, so you heard him. LSV Tech, 1.8 bottom end, 1.6 B16 head. He's got a lot of goodies, and that's Chris, by the way, for y'all who don't know. If you're in the Springs, go see Chris. You want fast Hondas. Look at this. Do y'all even know what y'all are looking at right now? Half of y'all are probably like, what the fuck? It's cut up. So all kinds of stuff missing. Weight reduction. But this is Chris's car. This ES Civic that is ready to fucking rip. As you can see, there's nothing. Did you even got a fuel cell here? What the fuck?
This battery.
Oh, your battery. Oh.
It doesn't fit anywhere under the hood.
What? His build is insane. I can't wait for y'all to see his new one when it comes out. It is fucking intense. It is amazing. There's his trans. You just rebuilt the trans, right?
Yeah, it's got a cuff in it with LSD, carbon twin synchros, all the fun stuff.
Look, I'm not on Chris's level. I got a 1.8. I mean a 2.0.
That's fully built.
He's got a whole J series. Okay, I'm not racing him. Like, for a little bit. And then as you can see, his fucking diesel sized turbo. Like, I want y'all to understand, this is the diff, right? Out of my LS. Compared to his turbo. Jesus Christ. Talk about throwing boost at a motherfucker. But we're about to get ready to break this thing down. Well, it's already broken down, more so clean it. Did you want to take the gear stacks apart to check, or you want to just throw them back too?
Yeah, we're
okay, so
I got everything set.
Catch you guys later.
FREEAK. I'm having dreams at the top and and they won't stop. Picture me stacking all these M's till my heart stop. On lock, hold on the game and I won't stop till my name shining real bright in the GOAT spot. I'm having dreams of the top, that's been for a while. Since the age of 6, having dreams, crowd going wild. Turning down, now we going up. Watch us spark the loud, see me now, topping every chart, moving all the crowd. Yeah, they hear the sound, now they wanna be around. You niggas clowns, laughing as I slide to town. I just copped a pound, Rolly bout to bust it down. Steady rolling up the good, we don't need a frown. I'm having dreams of the top and they won't stop. Picture me stacking all these M's till my heart stop. On lock, hold on the game and I won't stop till my name shining real bright in the GOAT spot. I'm having dreams of the top and they won't stop. Picture me stacking all these M's till my heart stop. On lock, hold on the game and I won't stop till my name shining real bright.
You don't see that every day.
So, where we've at now, we tore down what, the counter shaft? So we tore the counter shaft down. It was debris inside of it and everything. What we're about to do, going through the gears, make sure the gears are clean. Found some stuff. We gotta actually figure out what transmission I have. Chris discovered I have what, a double stack synchro?
Double synchro sets.
I have a double synchro set. Mind you, we literally are the first people to crack open the counter shaft. So this is straight from factory. Now we have to figure out what the hell we actually have.
We got here, synchro number 1. We got a stator that locks into those dogs. And then we have a second synchro that locks into that first one, giving more surface area to grab.
We have no idea where this transmission came from.
I've never seen an LS trans with double synchros in it before, just saying.
Like, it's different. My phone does not want to effort. There we go, yay!
I don't know.
That's pretty much clean. I just sprayed down the portholes and everything.
So we can probably start putting this together. That's where all the metal tins and hide. Nice and cheap right there.
In the GOAT spot. Independent, this nigga spitting, his balls is hitting. Ain't no need to carry your pistol. The pen is co-defended, charges written. Multiple homicides in the tarnished image. Now I'm winning, proving my status. A nigga only venting. House a $250,000 without a deal. Keep it real, niggas chill. Fucking with my money, turn the switch to kill. He getting ill, sicker than the nigga with the COVID chill. He on the kill, punishing the game. Watch a skull appeal. Ain't no need to feel beef, not what we cooking here. But I shed a tear, none you niggas coming near. I don't crash, I feel bullshit, leave it in the real. Businessman like a band, watch the sound appear.
Alright, we're back. After a few trials and tribulations, we figured it out. Transmission guy here. Got it all stacked up. Looking beautiful. Look at that. Clean, rebuilt. Can't get over that sound. It's amazing. Now to do it all over again on the other one.
That one's easier.
We'll be right back.
More parts. Now, let's inspect.
All right. And we're back. This is the main shaft.
Input, yeah.
Input, main shaft, stripped down. As you can see, Chris tore that shit down extremely fast. Like, I'm still learning what the hell I'm looking at. I can put the motor together, but transmissions, bro, I'll have you in reverse, thinking you in third. I don't understand.
Ooh, I got some chunky genetics, yeah.
Chunkies.
Chunky.
Chunkies. Oh, time to clean, inspect, reinstall. See you guys in a second.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Or will you fucking fight back?
All done.
Okay.
As you can see, we are all done. But we are not gonna plug it yet. See, right? Hold on. See if we can focus. As you can see right here, it's a small little gap. Alright. So Chris, what are we about to do?
It's a little trick I've learned. Whenever that clip doesn't engage to the groove,
We are going to drop the transmission.
just a couple inches, not too bad.
Just to make sure it sets all in place. And let's take a look.
It's good.
We're set. We'll flip it over so we can show you. So as you can see right here, that is the bearing we were waiting to set.
Now it's locked in.
Now we're good. Now she's complete. All done. All right, we are finally wrapped up. You guys can see she is done, complete. Speed sensor is even back in. She looked half dirty because we cleaned this one earlier, as you saw. This was the old housing that was actually still good, but hadn't had a chance to clean it at the house, so she's like day and night right now. But we're gonna get her painted. That's a whole nother video we're gonna go. But thanks to Chris. Shout out to him. This thing is butter, bro. Look, listen. It don't get no better than that. It doesn't. It doesn't. Oh, he's waiting on his clutch, and then his shit's coming out. So when his stuff is ready, we're gonna do a whole video on that. We gotta let you guys see this monster in action. It's gonna be crazy. I can't wait. That's gonna be crazy. So see you guys back at the house. Get all this packed up in the truck. Let's get going. Welcome back, family. All right. Officially, we made it back to the house. Had to get something to eat, kind of chill out for a little bit, relax. But we are here. We're back at the house. The transmission is complete. She is complete. So only thing really left to do at this point now would be tape her up, plug all the holes, go ahead and clean her off, get her ready for paint, which we'll probably work on that. Episode 3 would be painting her, getting her ready. One step closer to at least getting her back drivable, and then it'll be on the tuning after that. So appreciate you guys. If you stuck through the video this long, I love you already, man. You're part of the family. We're here. It's a long road, but we're gonna try to make it. IFO 2022 at Bandamere. We're on the way. We're just getting one step closer. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. I love y'all. See y'all next episode. We out.